Stopping the ball. Then stopped by the white shirt. Sitanga center brings the letter back, and the fumbling goes there with Centro West, failing to control the letter, so it's another point being piled up by Fugu. And Sitanga now is Centro West. Then big bang. No, it's a nice placement, and there goes the letter from the side, but it went out the hall. Okay. Okay. There goes another serve, beautiful serve. Back at center. Everybody was left flat-footed for Sitanga. It's a serve for West Central. Central West. And it's too strong, too wide for the yellow shirt, so it's a point for Central West. And left-handed service, and there goes the fumbling with the letter, but it's now beautifully stopped. And there goes the bang bang. It's really a big bang bang. And you can just imagine the enjoyment and kaligayahan ng ating mga viewers witnessing the game between Central West versus Sitanga. Okay, so both coaches of teams are now busy giving us last-minute instructions to their players. Another serve goes up in the air, stop at center, and they are trying to recover the letter. It goes, and it's inside. Well played shot there by Sitanga over Central West, West Central. There goes a strong ball. Okay, it's out of bounds, so it will be West Central serving. And it's too strong, too wide. Ball going out of bounds. Okay, so here's a part and parcel of the game between West Central and Fugu in the boys division volleyball.